Hey guys, and how are we doing? My name is Benjo from Trade with Bolu Online Services, and it's good to see you once again on our second part of our Forex basic course. And this is a basic course that just gives you an introduction or some knowledge about the Forex market. Okay, it's not really the whole full knowledge bank you could get on the Forex market, but we have other courses which you could take. Just check out www.tradewithbolu.com to find out more about our services. And remember to subscribe if you haven't and like the video. Okay, thanks. So diving into our risk warning, and it says that forex carries some high degree of risk, and you want to be careful at all times when trading. Apply proper risk management or be careful every time when trading in forex market. And a motivation quote: it's all going to make sense with time. Honestly, learning this forex skill, once you put in the time and effort, it's all going to make sense. Just be rest assured of that. It's all going to make sense. Yes. So um we're looking at our currency pairs, and first one we have is the Euro USD. This is actually one of the most popular currency pairs. So let me first break this down. Our currency is what we trade in the forex market. Currency is actually what countries use in buying and selling. For Nigeria, we have the naira. In Ghana, we have the cedi. In London, we have the pound. In Japan, we have the yen. And New Zealand also use the New Zealand dollar. Canada use the Canadian dollar. Um, in countries like France, Spain, we have the euro being used there. And these are examples of currencies we see being traded on the forex market. So a currency pair is actually what you know what a pair is. Okay, when you have two things coming together, currency pair is actually a combination of two currencies where which one is, for example, you're using going to use one to buy the other. So it's kind of like a combination of two currencies. The one on the left is always the base currency, the one on the right is always the quote currency. Okay, the left is my base, the right is my quote currency. So when I say currency pair of NZD USD, the left, which is my base, is NZD, one on the right is USD, which is my quote currency. And a quote interpretation, um, for example, when we have euro, there are always some quotes you would see beside each currency. If you open your MetaTrader 4, or one time or the other you've gotten a glimpse of the stock exchange market, you see some quotes beside these currencies. And actually, what do these quotes are? These quotes actually just mean, we established that the one on the left is my base, the one on the right is my quote. So it means that, for example, we see euro USD as 1.23456. It means that 1 euro is equals to 1.23456 USD, kind of like an exchange rate value. Yes, so we have AUD JPY, which is 1.67584. That is 1 AUD is equals to 1.67584 JPY. So let me give an example now. For example, $1 is equals to 480 naira. Yes, so that's going to be USD NGN is equals to 480. Yes, 480. So because USD one US equal to 480 naira. So that's just like a little example on that quote interpretation. So we have trading sessions in forex, and we have three basic trading sessions. There are others, trust me, there are others. We could have a whole couple of other trading sessions, but these are actually the three most common trading sessions we have in the forex market. The first one is the New York session, the second is the London session, the third is the Asian session. So the New York session is for countries within, like, United States of America, London, definitely London, and third, Asian countries based in Asia or around Asia use it. Asian trading session. So what are these trading sessions actually? We have their time ranges of the time ranges of these trading sessions in our Nigerian time zone. For example, between 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. in our Nigerian time, the Asian session is being opened. So that means bankers or workers in Asia are just getting to work, or the foreign exchange market in Asian zones, okay, on Asia based zones, just open around 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. Nigerian time. Okay, then London also 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is kind of like our Nigerian working time. Yes. So between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., the London Stock Exchange or London Foreign Exchange Market gets to open, and you see trading activities begin in those places. Then the third one is our New York session, which is open between 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. And between that time you would see activities in that is actually when you see, sorry, countries based around New York, like America, you see their stock exchange or their foreign exchange market get to open between 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Nigerian time. So just write that down somewhere. So how does this trading session work actually? So between 1 a.m. to 10 a.m., since the Asian session opens, that means countries based around Asia, we have Australia, New Zealand, Japan. Yes, those their currencies get to see some amount of activity between that period. Yes, so between 1 a.m. to 10 a.m., you get to see so much activity between AUD, NZD, JPY, because those are their trading sessions. Yes. So secondly, London session 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You see lots of activities between GBP, Euro, and CHF. CHF is actually Swiss franc for Switzerland. Okay. Then third one is our New York session, and between 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. you would see activity in currencies like USD, Canadian dollar, XAU, which is gold. So between 2 p.m. 11 p.m. Nigerian time. So from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. we have currencies like USD, CAD, and XAU being traded between this New York session. So actually, which of this session is the best time to trade? And the best time to trade in the forex market is actually the overlaps between trading session. Okay, and I will explain the overlap here. Um, sorry. So sessions overlap is actually when two sessions actually yeah, just like overlap or move into each other. For example, Asian session closes 10 a.m. London starts by 8 a.m. So between 8 to 10, we have both Asia and London session open simultaneously. That is actually a very good time to trade. Okay, 8 to 10. And secondly, between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., because then we have the New York and London session being open. That is a good time to trade. Okay, so we've come to actually the end of this brief introduction, and actually to um expand your knowledge much more in the forex market, we advise you to check out www.tradewithpolo.com. You can take any of our courses. We have the advanced and the professional course in the forex market, and you can become a professional also and make absolute use of this skill. So bye for now.